Hey, welcome back to another episode of the Chop It Up Kitchen. I'm rolling them out again, family, rolling them out again. Today we're gonna be preparing for you mock chicken, baby. Southern fried mock chicken, baby, on the Dr. Sebi tip. You know, if you haven't already, dearly family, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that like button, hit that like button. Let's get them likes up. Just be watching the videos, hit the like button as well. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and pop this off for you. Southern fried mock chicken, baby, on the Dr. Sebi tip. Electrify your body, baby. We're gonna start off with the wet batter and the dry batter, baby. So we got the seasonings. I'm gonna go ahead and do this kind of quick and nice and easy, baby, nice and easy. So we got 1.5 cups of flour in the dry batter, and then we're gonna prepare the wet batter, which is same amount of flour, about 1.5 cups. So let's get the dry seasonings in there first.